morning, children. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Keep your videos on so that I can see you people with register and pen. Keep your video on, children. I want to see you people writing in my class. Hurry up. 10 o'clock means 10 o'clock.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, today will you start with new chapter or continue rational numbers?
We'll do few more questions from rational numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
I can only see five children. Hurry up. Good morning, all. Every day, if you will waste 5 minutes like this, hardly we are getting a class of 35 minutes. That too goes wasted waiting for you people. 5 minutes goes like this every day. Still I have to wait. 22 children have joined. Change this name also. Kanchan Singhal, please change the name. Despite of telling you so many times, you don't turning your videos on. I want to see you people writing. Turn your videos on. Otherwise, we would have sent you videos, recorded videos. You would have heard those videos. Just to see you people writing, just to talk to you people one to one. We have planned these Zoom classes. I think I should start the class. 4 minutes have already passed. I can see 24 children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, let's start. Okay, children, did you find any problem in the chapter? Is there anybody in the class who is not able to understand any of the question of NCERT first? Let me ask you from NCERT. Anybody who's not able to do any of the part of NCERT? Afterwards, I'll tell you what mistakes you people have done in your work. I'll discuss those mistakes. Moreover, children, complete your work in time. I'm getting complaints. The children are not doing the work, completing their work in time. They're just collecting the work. They are thinking will not be checked. Then at the time of checking, we'll complete it. Please do not do like this. Submit your work in Google Classroom. Google Classroom is going to give me the record. Who all has given the work in time? I'm going to evaluate on the basis of that. Am I clear to all?
मैम सारे असाइनमेंट्स अभी तक करे हैं?
Definitely, definitely.
मैम व्हाट्सएप पर भेज सकते हैं?
You may, Hanji, Hardik, you're saying something?
Ma'am, WhatsApp.
मैम व्हाट्सएप पर भेज सकते हैं?
No, beta, Google Classroom was designed for this purpose only. Google Classroom keeps the record for your work. For every child's work, it keeps the record when did the child submit and all. Okay? My aim is not right now to check your work, just to see that you people have done. It won't be possible at this point of time.
we have to submit the work.
Haji, kaun hai beta? Radhika?
Hanji, ma'am, we have to submit the work in the Google Classroom.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now, somebody was asking me in the last class, how do we come to know which properties do you be used in solving the questions? But to make you understand this problem, to come over with this problem, I have designed a beautiful worksheet for you, and I am going to give that worksheet next time or during the weekend. You all can just practice that worksheet. It will help you to understand. There, you just have to check it out. Tell the property. Questions are to check the property. Question is already being done. You simply have to tell the property name, which property is being used. Turn on your videos, please. I want to see you people. I can only see Divyansh, Hardik, Samita. Akul has switched it on. I don't want to see you people lying on the bed. I want to see you people writing in front of me. The last time we practiced questions where we used distributive property. I hope you all remember.
Yes, ma'am.
We used questions where we used associative as well as distributive. Today the questions are, I have chosen some other kind of questions where it may not be directly only using distributive. You just have to decide which properties to be used. The questions are from your, either from your try these or from your some other resources. Okay, let me just adjust my laptop with your board so that you all can see the board properly. Let me just adjust that. I can see 27 children only. Why is it not getting in class? I want to talk to the parents in the evening. Why is it not getting in class? Just check, children, are you able to see the board? I will just it, otherwise.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think this is better. I hope this is better. Can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Do not unmute
Yes, ma'am.
yourself. I'm going to explain you the question first, or I'll mute you people, otherwise there's problem of sound otherwise. I'll ask you the question in between, don't worry. Saksham, don't fiddle with the keyboard, please. The first question I have chosen is 3 upon 7 plus minus 6 upon 11 plus minus 8 upon 21 plus 5 upon 22. Are you able to see the question properly? Then you will come, okay? Yes, very good.
Ma'am.
Yeah, children, are you able to see the board on the whole screen? Full screen of your laptop or mobile you're using? Are you able to see the board on the full screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम इमेज बाबा चेंज हो रही है.
Now this way. Is this better or the previous one?
Ma'am, आप सबको म्यूट कर दो.
Is the view better or it is the same?
Ma'am, सही है मैम.
Ma'am, it's fine.
I'm muting you all and I'm taking the rights also from you people. I'm going to unmute whenever I feel like. Okay? Whenever I feel I have to ask the question, I'll unmute the child. Just look at the board very carefully. Here, first thing, which property comes to your mind when you see this question? Swamita? Which property comes to your mind when you see this question? Hardik?
Ma'am, grouping property.
Grouping is associative property. Okay, grouping is associative property.
Associated.
Associative property comes to our mind when we see this kind of question. Again, you people have switched off your videos. I want to see you people writing, children. Now, grouping, you have to keep in mind how should we say, what comes to your mind, which two numbers should be grouped first? Raghav, can you suggest which two numbers should be? I'll not ask the question from the child if he or she is not visible to me. As simple as this. Saksham?
Ma'am, we will take 3 upon 7 and 8 upon 21. Ma'am, we will take 3 upon 7 and 8 upon 21.
Okay, give me the reason for that. Give me
Ma'am,
the reason for that.
ma'am, because their LCM can be LCM becomes easy.
Some disturbance is coming again. Once the question has been answered, try you people mute yourself, otherwise disturbance keeps on coming. Have you understood, children, why we are going to combine 3 upon 7 and minus 8 upon 21? Let me just show you. This I am going to keep in one bracket and minus 6 upon 11 and plus 5 upon 22 in the second bracket. I did this because 7 and 21. We can easily find the LCM. 21 the multiple of 7. Similarly, 22 is a multiple of 11. Divesh, speak up, Divesh. Lakshit, very good. I am unmuting the child to ask the question, and child is muting himself. Very good. So what is the use of taking these type of classes if you will not answer back properly? Sweetie,
Yes, ma'am.
have you understood why I have taken 3/7 and minus 0.21 together?
Yes, ma'am.
Because 7 and 21 we can find the LCM easily. All of you please switch on your videos. Next time I will not take the class this way. Switch on the videos. Prabnoor, हाँ जी बोलो. बोलो.
Ma'am, next step.
You raise your hand now. Don't raise the hand in between the disturb the class if there is no query. You raise the hand.
Okay.
Bhavya, you always ask queries. हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम इसमें हम 3/7 प्लस 5/22 का भी एलसीएम ले सकते हैं, मतलब इनको भी अलग ग्रुप कर सकते हैं?
नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि 7 और 22 में कुछ कॉमन नहीं है. There is nothing common between 7 and 22. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then let me take the LCM. Here the LCM will come out 21. Here the LCM will come out 22. Now when I divide 21 by 7, I get 3. 3 3 is 9. Plus minus 8. Here, when I divide 22 by 11, I get 2. 2 into minus 6 minus 12 plus 5 as it is. Anybody has any query till here? Any query, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me just show you the next step. Just try out next step. Let me see how many of you are able to do. Let me see how many of you are able to do. Nija, what will be the next step? Nija,
Yes, ma'am.
what will be the next step?
Ma'am, we will add the numbers.
आंसर बताओ क्या होगा?
Ma'am, 1 by 21 plus
Very good.
minus 7 by 22.
Very good. So after this again we have to take the LCM. Question is not yet
Ma'am,
finished.
Ma'am, can I tell the
Not
answer?
yet finished. What is the LCM of 21 and 22?
462.
462. There's nothing common. We simply have to multiply both the numbers. When I divide 462 by 21, I get 22 here. And this
22.
will come as it is. This will come 7 into 21. This will come 7 into 21.
147.
21.
Ma'am,
Are there any
Ma'am,
queries
मुझे-
till here? Sohan?
Ma'am,
Any query, Sohan?
मैम आपका बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा, क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा मुझे.
हाँ जी?
मैम आपका बोर्ड नहीं क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा मैम.
बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं दिख
मैम अब
रहा?
दिख रहा है. मैम अब दिख रहा है.
There is some problem in
Ma'am-
network from your side. Otherwise, my board is very clear.
मैम यहाँ पे जो ब्रैकेट लिया है मैम आपने थर्ड स्टेप में 9 प्लस माइनस 8/21 मैम इसमें ब्रैकेट डालना जरूरी है?
हाँ जी, ब्रैकेट से पता लगेगा कि हमने इन दोनों को ऐड किया है और इन दोनों को ऐड किया है. ओके?
मैम
हाँ जी, who is this? प्रभनूर?
यस मैम. मैम जैसे कि आपने -7/21 लिखा है, इसका डायरेक्ट आंसर लिख सकते हैं 147.
हाँ, लिख सकते हैं. So you will get here 22 plus minus 147 upon 462. Now children, tell me the final answer. What will be the
Ma'am.
final answer?
मैम -125/462.
Somebody else also have to, everybody has to try, not only Prabhu. Prabhu, you will not speak yourself now. I'll ask children, I'll ask everybody one by one. Sohan, what will be the answer?
मैम -125/462.
Minus 125/462. Sakshat, don't raise your hand in between. I am not going to ask everything from you. Minus 125,
minus 125/462.
462. Now children, anybody has any query?
No ma'am.
All of you, I'm asking from everybody. Any query?
No ma'am.
Let me just confirm from few more children. Radhika, any query? Akul, any query? Why there is disturbance at the back? I don't want any disturbance at the back, please. Akib, any query? Lakshit? Not like this. Answer properly. Lakshit?
मैम मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया कि जो -7/22 था वो आपने 22 को उसमें ऊपर क्यों लिख दिया? -7 आना चाहिए था ना.
-7 ही लिखा है बेटा. -7 into 21 है. -7, I will just make it clear better. -7 into 21. Okay?
ओके.
Ragini, any query?
No, ma'am.
Are you able to understand the problems? Should I go to the next question? Children, should I take the next question? Here we have not used distributive, not taken common. You can show your thumb to tell me that you have understood. See, if you all will start speaking, nothing will be audible to anybody. Okay? We won't be able to hear each other. Very good. Let me just go to the next question. Again, a question where we don't need distributive property. Can I erase the board? Can I erase the board? Lakshit has raised his hand. Lakshit, put your hand down. If you don't have any query. Okay. Next question I am taking is -6/5 multiplied with 3/8 multiplied with 15/24 multiplied with -16/9. Here again, the question is, wait. Hanji. Here the question was -6/5 into 3/8 into 15/24 into -16/9. It's again we you don't have to use distributive property. No, you cannot use distributive property. देव पता है क्यों यूज नहीं कर सकते हम? देव, can we use distributive property here?
No, ma'am.
No, because there is no plus or minus in between. No number is being distributed to anywhere, any other number. Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Anji, here we cannot use distributive property. Do you know why? I just told you. Because no number is being distributed to each other. Here all the 4 numbers are in multiplication. Now how should I group now? How should I group? Here, how should I group? Can anybody suggest? How should we group?
Ma'am,
You can
minus
unmute
6
yourself
upon
and tell.
ma'am minus 6 upon 5 into minus 16 upon 9.
Why do you want to take these two together? You have to give
Ma'am,
the
can you
reason
tell the
also.
answer?
Give the reason. Hurry up. Give the reason.
Ma'am, we will pair minus 6 upon 5 and 15 upon 24.
We can take these two together and we can take 3 upon 8 into 15 upon 24 together because 6 and 9 will get cancelled. Minus 3. If I divide with 3, it will be minus 2. 3 3s are 9. I'll get minus 32 upon 15 here, and here again I can cancel. So I get 15 upon 64. This simple multiplication question, but we are using associative property to group them. 32 2s are and 15 and 15 get cancelled. I get minus 1 upon 2. Any query to anybody? Any query?
Ma'am, minus क्यों आएगा? Ma'am, minus क्यों आएगा?
Minus 6 upon 5 है इसलिए. Okay. This minus will cancel plus 1 upon 2. Plus 1 upon 2. Very good. This is plus 1 upon 2. One more question, children.
Ma'am, मेरा भी आंसर आया है.
In this one Zoom class, we cannot afford to do only 2 questions. They have to be little faster. Little faster. One more question I want to do, otherwise I'm getting message from Zoom that meeting will get over itself. Should I just rub it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One more question. The question is 1 upon 2 divided by minus 1 upon 2 in one bracket divided by 2 upon 5. Here no property, only board mass. No property, only board mass. Akib, do you remember board mass? Akib, do you remember board mass?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are going to solve the bracket first. Hurry up, children, do it yourself. Let me see how many of you are able to do faster.
Ma'am, done.
Very good. Dave, what is the answer you got?
Minus 5 upon 2.
Very good. Right now I cannot see your solution. I need to do then. What we'll do is we'll reciprocal this and we get here minus 1 divided by 2 upon 5. Then again minus 1 into 5 upon 2. So we get the answer as minus 5 upon 2 as Dave told. As Dave told. Now children, is there anybody in the class who had come across with any problem? Please do not feel shy.
मैम मैं कोई चीज पूछनी है इस क्वेश्चन की.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
मैम इसमें ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि हम ब्रैकेट वाले को 2 और 5 के साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई कर दे.
नहीं पहले ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करना कंपल्सरी है, अदरवाइज यू लूज योर मार्क्स. बॉड मास मींस अदरवाइज ब्रैकेट अगर ना होता तो आप कर सकते थे. ब्रैकेट लगा हुआ है तो पहले ब्रैकेट को ही सॉल्व करेंगे, देन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I want to ask you few queries, few questions from you people. Have you all copied? Can I bring it to my mode? I want to see you
Yes,
people
ma'am.
back. Have you all copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am changing the view now. Okay, children. Yes, children. Is there anybody in the class who has come across with any query he or she is open to ask? I have muted you all, but I have given you option. I give you option to unmute yourself. Unmute bolo, Radhika bolo, you can unmute yourself. Bolo.
Ma'am, नहीं.
मैम जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपने दिखाया था वो वाला फिर से एक बार दिखा दो मैम, वो क्लियर नहीं दिखा रहा मुझे.
Radhika, any query?
Ma'am, I'm not able to do the question number 3 of exercise 1.1.
Exercise 1.1. Let me just check this question. Okay, I'll do that.
उसका आंसर पीछे एग्जांपल्स में कहीं है.
मैम आपने वो क्वेश्चन करने को कहा ही नहीं था. क्यों नहीं कहा था?
She said.
मैम बहुत इजी है वो क्वेश्चंस.
I do that. Verification question पे you have to LHS separately. LHS separately. Let me show the question to Sohan. Sohan was not able to copy the question. Sohan, just check.
Yes.
Will not speak now, children. Children don't speak.
मैम 1/2 के बाद मैम डिवाइड का साइन है.
हाँ जी, all division sign is there. I'll again read out the question for you. In one bracket, big bracket, we have 1/2 divided by minus 1/2 in second bracket, bracket close, divided by 2/5. So we solve the first bracket, then we divided, after solving the first bracket, I got -1. Then it is to be divided by 2/5 in this step. You can see here. Then once because you have to reciprocal this, you have to reciprocal to divide. I reciprocal the number, and I got the answer as -5.2. Sohan, are you able to copy down? Sohan, were you able to copy down? Sohan, give me the answer, please, beta. Sohan.
मैम यस मैम कॉपी डाउन कर लिया.
Okay. Please feel free and asking as Radhika just asked. It means some more people would be there who are not able to do any question from 1.1. Vyas, were you able to do all the questions from 1.1? Very good. So next time, I think we have got just 2 minutes. I don't think I'll be able to do this question. Let me just try out. The question is to verify minus of minus x is equal to x. See, verification questions, we take LHS separately and RHS separately, and the value of x is 11/15 in first part and -13/7 in second part. I am doing second part because second part is little difficult. You may find problem in second part. LHS is minus of minus x, that is minus x is going to be this is -13/7, like this. I have replaced x with -13/7, minus I copied as it is, this minus as it is. राधिका समझ आया? हाँ जी राधिका बोलो. You can unmute yourself. हाँ जी बोलो, जल्दी से बोलो.
Your screen is not coming.
My screen is not coming now.
Yes. No, ma'am.
Up. Now
No, ma'am. I'm not able to see you.
you're not able to see the board.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now it's fine.
Now what will happen? Minus of minus means plus. Again, minus means the answer is minus 13/7. And what is RHS? It's X. It means minus 13/7. So we can say LHS and RHS equals, both of them are equal. Hence verified.